welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also enable the bell button to get the notifications. So today I've come up with the recipe of a very easy eggless wheat cake. The speciality of this cake recipe is that I have not used any baking equipments for baking this cake. So anyone can bake this cake with the common cooking tools that we have at home. So you just have to follow the steps and measurements correctly to bake this simple and healthy cake. Now without further delay, let's get into the video. For preparing this cake, I have first taken a clean bowl and a sieve. Then for taking the measurements, I have used a glass like this of approximately 250 ml volume. And then a tablespoon and a teaspoon. We are baking this cake in the steel container, which is greased well with oil in the inside and dusted with some flour. I have also placed a butter paper, but using a butter paper is completely optional. Now let's start baking the cake. For this, we'll first mix the dry ingredients. For this, into a sieve, first add 1.5 cups of wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour if you want. While measuring, make sure that all the ingredients are leveled. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of salt. Then mix all these well and sieve 1 or 2 times to aerate the flour. Once sieved well, mix well once again and keep it aside. Now let's mix the wet ingredients. For this, take another clean bowl and into it add 3/4 cup of curd and 1 cup of sugar. Beat them well until the sugar dissolves completely and the mixture is creamy. Here I am using the common curry spoon available at our homes for beating. Now for flavor, I am adding 1 teaspoon of honey and again mixing well until it is combined. Instead of honey, you can also add either 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Next, add half cup of any refined oil and mix very well until it is combined. The next step is to combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, but before that we have another step to do. Preheat a thick bottom pan in which you are going to bake the cake in high flame for about 10 minutes. Now let's get back to our cake batter preparation. For this, add the dry ingredients mixture gradually into the wet ingredients mixture and mix slowly in one direction until it is well combined. Do not overmix at this point. Then, in order to slightly loosen the mixture, I am adding half cup of milk at room temperature gradually. Again, mix slowly until it is combined. Once the batter is ready, pour it into the steel container which we have already greased. Then tap well in order to release the air bubbles. Now let's start baking the cake. For this, first place a steel plate into the preheated pan. Then on top of it place our steel container with the batter. Then close the lid and cook for 50 minutes in low flame. If you want, after 40 minutes you can open the lid and check if the cake is baked. Just insert a skewer into the middle of the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. So after 50 minutes my cake was perfectly baked. Then remove it from the pan and allow it to cool. After the cake has slightly cooled down, with a knife, separate the sides of the cake from the steel container so that the sides do not get stuck to the container. Then allow the cake to completely cool down. After the cake has completely cooled down, now demold the cake from the container. And finally our moist eggless sweet cake is ready. And so as you have seen, this cake is very easy to make and does not require any baking equipments. So please do try this at home. This is a very tasty and healthy cake too. And thank you all for watching, and see you all in another video.